All right, we have Sean here again. It's the second round of CFR. Last week we ran his nasal passages through some ballooning, and just let us know how you felt before even doing it. Again, just kind of rehash on what was going on, and then how you felt even like immediately after, or 1 or 2 days after that. What was your experience like?
Yeah, a lot of restriction, especially on my left, before doing it last week, and now, after, little to no discomfort at all after, and could really, feel the difference in more even breathing. I did some, heavy activity boxing that night, and just felt like I could breathe much deeper, much easier through that. And even now it's been a week, I can tell the difference. I can feel the difference in just how I'm breathing, and just easier to breathe than that constant feeling like I'm clogged up on the left side too.
Yeah, you mentioned when we did one of the passageways where you felt like blocked when we didn't do it, and then free instantly. Like it was like immediate reaction, right?
Yeah, like a really good back adjustment where you're like, that just released. Had that really great release on that side. So
cool. Let's reproduce that in the other passages. Okay, so let's get you laying on your back. So I know that we did 2 of the 6 areas openings.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna do the other 2 today.
Okay.
Go ahead and get you ready. So we can do the same process of ballooning 2 areas, one on the left and then the other on the right. And we'll have you breathe in, we'll have you breathe out, and on the second breath, we'll have you hold your breath. And it'll be over in about 2 to 3 seconds. Okay. All right. Get you here. So go ahead and just relax the body. Okay. I'm just gonna have you breathe in and have you breathe out. And then have you breathe in, hold your breath.
Whew. Wow.
That was something.
Holy cow. That was better than last week.
What was going on?
That I felt upper release up here, like behind my eye, above my eye.
Yeah, your tissue, wiping out with the gel.
And it feels like it's wide open now.
So that was the 3rd area we're running. That was the middle of the left.
Wow.
Good.
God, that feels great.
Nice. That's what it's all about. Now we're gonna just give you a little moment there while I get this other one ready.
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and do one more passageway for today. You're doing great. And like we said, it's like instant results where you feel like this is not a waiting game of anything. It's instantly where you realize, oh my God.
Yeah.
You realize how shallow sometimes you breathe or how labored you breathe. And then afterwards, it's like a car that runs on 6 cylinders is meant to be running on 8, right?
Yeah.
It's like you can actually breathe and inhale, and it's just so much better for you.
Yeah.
Right. So now we're gonna go to the right side. We're a little bit higher up this time, okay?
Okay.
Bear with me there. Okay, we got that in. That went really easy. And again, you're just gonna breathe in, and you're gonna breathe out. Breathe in, hold that breath. Do you hear any cracking or popping on the
Oh my
back
God.
side?
Yeah, a lot more.
A lot more. That just lets us know Which areas are more fixated?
Man, that feels even more open than this side. Like it's a bigger opening now.
So we went higher up on this one.
Okay.
Where did you feel it? Did you feel it behind the eye, in the ear, the
It
cheek?
over here more.
Okay.
So it like this one was more in the eye here.
Yes.
This one was a little further over,
Okay.
and then back, like
it.
behind my nose.
Yeah. So it just follows where those paths of fixations are, right? So if it's fixated here, you'll feel it behind the eye. Feel it in the ear. You hear some cracks in the ear
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
Sometimes people even feel like they can hear better afterwards. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing. Good job.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Thank you.